fucking vacuum cleaner.
I know. It only takes 2 seconds and it's gone. Make sure you cut that out of the video when you make it first.
And we're all cussing.
Blah, 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 blah.
Chappy, calm down with the meowing.
And Daddy's trying to go for a foot, so Chappy's trying to play. Why?
Luna, you need to slow down.
Smells like a vacuum cleaner. That's all you gotta say on the description of the video when you post it.
Luna, you need to slow down.
Smells like I choked a wood.
Luna, you need to slow down. Luna, buddy, you need to slow down. She has it halfway gone already.
I said don't eat it all. She ate it all. My friend liked it. Remember him, he used to like that soft food.
Luna, it's okay.
Sarah loved this ham.
Continue eating.
You didn't finish it all, dog. You gotta go back and get some for later.